Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to see how to download and use TCS AUTHNTICATIX apps, also called as UX apps in mobile. We are also going to see the Authenticator app and the timesheet app, how to download and use it. So if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel for various job updates and regular interview activities. Let's begin. So to download TCS AUTHNTICATIX apps for phone, give the URL https://uxapps.authmatics.net in Chrome. I will give this in description box also. Then open it, give your employee ID, after that proceed, after that choose as password, give the password which you have been given by the admin, or if you have updated password, give that. Then click on download AUTHMATIX apps. Then I have read the privacy notes, check this box, then click on download. After that click on OK, then allow this app from your app manager. After that open the downloaded file and click on install. Your UX apps has been downloaded and it's ready to open. Next, got it. This is the home page of the TCS AUTHMATIX. So in the below you can see that home page in which we are in the apps, services, notifications and more. Click on apps, it will take you to the TCS AUTHMATIX apps, which contains various TCS apps. The apps like authentication, timesheet, ETMS, speed, Nomi. But now we need Authenticator app and timesheet app. So let's download TCS Authentication app, also called as Authcode app. Install, open the app, yes, proceed, begin setup, enter your username and password, enter your PIN and confirm the PIN. Now the PIN setup is successful. You have to enter this PIN whenever you open the authentication app, so remember that. So that's all about Authenticator app. Let's see timesheet app and download it. To download this app, click on download and then install and open. It will take you to the timesheet app where you have to fill up your attendance sheet daily. Menu you can see till when the timesheet is open, and you can see your branch and your assets, and you can also see your SWAN number in the allocation tab. So that's all about the TCS AUTHMATIX apps. If this video was helpful for you, then like, share and subscribe. Thank you.